Friends, welcome to the Future Money Masterclass. This is episode number 6. Today's topic is going to be digital identity and trust, the invisible infrastructure of the future economy. This is a story of how the way we identify, verify, and trust each other is going to be completely rewritten. It is a new world for us. Money moves when trust exists. Markets grow when identity is secure, and economies thrive when transactions are transparent and reliable. Throughout history, societies have built identity systems using paper, bureaucracy, and physical documentation. Passports, ID cards, and centralized databases have served as gatekeepers of trust. But these systems were designed for an offline world. Today, as the global economy shifts to digital, those old systems are showing their limits. Friends, they are slow, fragmented, and vulnerable to breaches. Identity theft, fraud, and data leaks have become multi-billion-dollar problems. The rise of artificial intelligence and global connectivity has made digital verification more critical than ever before. And this is where the invisible infrastructure of digital identity is transforming the future of finance, governance, and everyday life. Friends, digital identity is not just a digital version of a physical ID. It is a secure, verifiable, and portable identity that allows individuals and organizations to prove who they are in real time, across platforms, across borders, and across industries. Friends, it is the backbone of digital trust. From opening a bank account to signing contracts, accessing healthcare, or participating in decentralized finance, digital identity underpins almost every modern interaction for all of us across the world. Friends, in India, this transformation is already well underway. The Aadhaar ecosystem has created one of the largest digital identity frameworks in the entire world. More than 1 billion people have secure digital IDs, enabling instant KYC, targeted service delivery, and financial inclusion. Now, this identity infrastructure has become a critical enabler of India's fintech and governance revolutions. But Aadhaar is just the beginning. The next phase involves decentralized digital identity, a model where individuals control their data, decide how to share it, and verify themselves without relying on a single central authority. Now, this being made possible through technologies like blockchain, zero-knowledge proofs, and advanced cryptography. Friends, instead of handing over personal data to countless platforms, users will soon be able to prove facts about themselves without revealing everything. For example, proving that you're over 18 without sharing your date of birth, or verifying income eligibility without exposing your entire financial history. All of this is now easily possible. This is privacy, preserving trust at scale. For investors and businesses, this shift is monumental. Digital identity systems are becoming the invisible rails upon which future finance and commerce will run efficiently. Payments, lending, insurance, healthcare, logistics, and education will increasingly rely on seamless identity verification. Global trade will move faster when parties can verify each other instantly and securely. Cross-border remittances will become safer and cheaper when identity is trusted universally. And decentralized finance will only scale sustainably when digital identity ensures compliance, security, and trust without compromising privacy. India is uniquely positioned in this transition. With its strong digital public infrastructure, regulatory momentum, and large tech talent pool, it can lead the development of next-generation digital identity frameworks. Friends, the account aggregator system is a prime example. It allows individuals to securely share their financial data with lenders, insurers, or fintech platforms with complete control and complete consent. This model is being closely studied by other nations. Similarly, the Open Network for Digital Commerce, which is ONDC, integrates identity authentication, and trust layers to enable a fair and open e-commerce system. These building blocks are creating a trust infrastructure that is both scalable and secure. Friends, but the real breakthrough will come when identity moves from centralized to self-sovereign models. In self-sovereign identity, users own their digital credentials, store them securely in their wallets, and share proofs selectively. No central authority can unilaterally control or revoke identity. This gives individuals more power, reduces systematic risk, and enhances global interoperability. Now, the private sector is already responding. Startups are developing decentralized identity wallets, verification APIs, and blockchain-based credential systems. Banks and insurers are integrating digital identity for faster onboarding and fraud prevention. Healthcare providers are exploring digital identity for secure patient data sharing. Universities are issuing verifiable digital certificates that cannot be forged. Now, this is building a new layer of trust in the internet and on the internet. Before we continue to the next episode, let us take a moment to thank our partners and our sponsors who make this masterclass journey possible. My first sponsor is Sante Spa Cuisine, which nourishes the innovators, driving this transformation and proving that clarity of thought begins with mindful nutrition. My second sponsor is Bod Active Gymwear, which empowers future builders with strength and comfort, reminding us that strong systems need strong visionaries. My third sponsor is Turning Red Media Studios that transforms complex identity narratives into powerful monetizable stories that resonate globally. And my fourth sponsor is SDG 6 Water Storage Solutions, ensuring innovation has a stable foundation to thrive. Friends, the shift to digital identity is not just about convenience. It is also about strategic control, economic efficiency, and new business models.